what's up everybody? DZ back with another unboxing video. This time we're going to be unboxing the Latrax Alias by Traxxas. This is a pretty sweet bird. I really don't know a whole lot about it right yet. I do know that it does a lot of stunts that a lot of other drones don't do. This one will do pirouettes. Like it'll spin and it can still go in the same direction as it's going. It will do corner to corner flips, which I have never seen before. It does 360 rolls, 360 front flips, 360 back flips. They say that the frame on this is virtually indestructible. I've saw videos where people are running over it with the car and didn't even break it. The lighting is just amazing on these. They're pretty fast. It has 3 modes. It has beginner, intermediate, and expert mode. Expert mode turns off the gyro, and you have complete control of this bird altogether. I don't suggest that for newbies, but I do suggest getting this bird and trying it out. Let's go ahead and get with that unboxing. Find my knife I was using to get this plastic open. And here we go. Traxxas is a really good company. They make a drone called the Aton. You want to talk about unreal. This thing has GPS. It has a 6-axis gyro, auto hold, altitude hold. It has flips, and that sucker is fast. Price tag's a little steep on it, but I can promise you this right now. That bird is worth every penny, and I'm working on getting one as we speak. Let's see. You have your user manual, of course. Thank you, thank you. Quick start guide, I believe. Yes, sir, that is what that is. This is a quick start guide. You have an extra set of props. I love the green. Love it, love it, love it. And there's a couple of extra somethings in there with the screws. I'm not sure what those pieces are for, but we will find out later. Your remote, basic remote. This does not have first-person view on it, but there is an optional first-person view camera that you can purchase that Traxxas and Latrax makes that you can actually put on this bird. Not 100% if it's full real first-person or if it's Wi-Fi first-person, but I believe it's going to be full real first-person. But here's your controller. It has your power switch, your tilt and trim, your speed modes, and your acro modes. Pretty basic. It takes 4 AAA batteries, which is awesome because Latrax sends you batteries. These are Duracells. They're supposed to be Latrax batteries. I don't know why, but they sent Duracells. They're supposed to say Traxxas on them, and they're supposed to be Traxxas branded. Here's your little birdie. Pretty small guy, but from what I hear, this little small guy right here packs a punch. I chose the green because the lighting looked a lot better, and it seemed like it was brighter lighting, and I really dig brighter lighting. I'm always down for bright lights, especially when I fly at night. That's why I got down with the whole finger light mod for your birds, and you can put those finger lights on just about any bird. I think that these, one deal that I see with it right now, that I mean, it's a really light bird. It doesn't have any real weight to it, and the batteries don't weigh hardly anything at all either. So even with the battery, this bird doesn't have a lot of weight to it. But these props are a little bit flimsy. I think that maybe there's a way to upgrade the props, but I bet you could probably get, if you had a little bit stiffer props, you could probably get a little bit more speed an acro out of this. But we'll try it out when I get able to get tested get it tested and everything. But there's your bird. You have your charger. Single port. Is this single port? Yeah, single port charger. You can buy a set of these batteries. I saw 5 batteries on Amazon for 25 bucks. And I believe there's some that have 3 batteries with a double port charger that comes with them. And of course your battery. And this is very important. You can buy one that actually has a little handle on it, and it's a little bit more, it's a little better than this. But you need to keep this hex tool and don't lose it. It's very, very small. Very small. If you lose that, you will not be able to change the parts on your quad unless you have that part. I mean, I can't tell because it's so small that I can't really even tell if it's just an Allen wrench or if it's different shaped or what. But just don't lose this. Keep it in the box. Because I'm pretty sure, a lot of you guys will keep your quad in the box anyway, until you're using it or whatever. Lost train of thought there for a second. But just don't lose the part. Just whatever you got to do to keep it, stab it in the wall, put it somewhere in a giant Ziploc bag, something. Just don't lose it, because hopefully you'll have it to fix something if you need to fix something. And I mean, that's even changing the props. That's anything. Even the housing screws, they're all hex. Everything's hex on this. So hopefully that's not just a standard tool. I mean, hopefully that is a standard tool that maybe it's Allen wrench or something, is the same. But whatever you do, just don't lose it. Because if you lose it, you might be screwed, blued, and tattooed. Anyway, that's it with the unboxing, guys. This is Deezy. Please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to go check out our Facebook page. And go check out my affiliate Facebook page, my boy Jay Drone at Drone Days. It's all down below in the links. Peace out, everybody. Nothing but love. I hope you guys have fun with these drones that I'm reviewing for you guys. I'm here for you to help save you money and tell you the truth about what trash is trash. You can see in my other videos that I have, I'll tell you what's trash and what's not trash. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe down below. Love you guys.